Hello, I'm Michael Harris. I'm with the Catamaran Company in Fort Lauderdale. I'm presenting the beautiful 2018 Sunreef 74 Kailua. Current owner purchased the boat in the Mediterranean, took her over to French Polynesia. And then returning to the US via Hawaii, San Diego, Panama, and now back in Fort Lauderdale. Why don't we go on board the vessel now, take a look at the spacious cockpit. It's great for social area, dining, and just having fun. Hydraulic tender lift for the tender. Gives great access into the water and also allows it to be a beach club. Access into the cockpit is via the wide teak steps, which allows you to come into the cockpit safely. Engine access is there, and we also have the dining table with seating for up to 8 people. Right now it's comfortably set up for 6. Cockpit cushions, a small coffee table, sunbathing pads on the side or just for lounging at the end of a long day. And a nice large drinks fridge for beverages. Access into the galley and cruise quarters on port side. The whole cockpit can be fully enclosed for inclement weather. On the starboard transom that you cannot see at the moment, there is a large overhead shower head. Docking capstans and cleats are on both transoms and also both bows. Overhead storage, multiple lights, and also access to the flybridge. And here we have the great access up to the flybridge, which is a wonderful area when you're underway. Helm station on the flybridge, dining table surrounded by comfortable cushions. Flybridge bar area with sink, barbecue, and very uniquely a washer and dryer under the counter. Kite boards are also included with the boat. The electric foiling board is included with the purchase of the boat. Ice maker and drinks fridge under the helm seat. All electric winches. All lines led back to the flybridge. Carbon fiber mast. Helm station with bow thrusters, Ray Marine electronics, engine controls, and carbon fiber steering wheel. Kailua is equipped with a carbon fiber canoe boom, which makes sail flaking very easy. Custom hardtop bimini with solar panels on top, and windows for the helmsman to be able to see the sails while underway. All stainless steel custom framing, LED lights, and a full enclosure on the flybridge. On the back of the flybridge, there's the Starlink satellite communications and television system, as well as life rafts, which have recently been recertified. Here we are with the entrance into the main salon and the large buffet area. So in the buffet area, we have an ice maker, storage, over and under fridge freezer, more storage. In fact, there's so much storage for all the dining ware that there's no need to keep it anywhere else in the boat. And finally, a wine fridge. Main salon seating with a lounger area behind it and a big dining table that can raise and lower. We have the compression post for the mast inside the main salon. And forward of that, we have the door that exits into the forward cockpit. Access down into the forward port cabin. More storage space above for towels and various items for dining. At the forward end of the main salon, we've got the very well equipped navigation area where you can run the boat during inclement weather. A full suite of Raymarine electronics, remote generator starts. So now we're heading down into the master cabin, which is on starboard side. King size bed, TV, desk for working, electric blinds on windows, plenty of closet space, vanity with storage, and spacious private head and shower. Now we're walking down into the port side guest cabins with recessed handholds. Port guest cabin storage, hanging lockers. All the windows have electric blinds. Plenty of storage. So a queen size bed and ensuite toilet and shower. Additional storage, hanging locker, currently full of bedding. Now coming into the port aft guest cabin, which was modified by the owner for his children. So over and under bunks. The lower section can pull out with an additional mattress to make a larger bottom berth. Hanging locker and storage, and again an ensuite head and shower. Another hanging locker and storage which are behind the door. Outboard storage in the port aft guest cabin. So this is entering the starboard aft cabin. It's a guest cabin for charter if you want it, or has recently been used as the captain's cabin. Starboard aft guest cabin, ensuite head and shower. From the cockpit, we have access down into the galley and the crew's quarters. Crew's quarters with over and under bunks, currently holding all the exterior cushions, and its own ensuite head and shower. So again, my name is Michael Harris. I'm with the Catamaran Company in Fort Lauderdale. I hope you've enjoyed the presentation of this beautiful Sunreef 74 Kailua. It's easy to see in Fort Lauderdale by appointment. Please call me for setting up a viewing.